Welcome back to my channel. Well, magluluto ako ngayon sa air fryer ng aking one of my favorite fish, ang bangus. Wow, ang bangus. In English, it's called milk fish. So, kita ba ako sa camera? Okay. Milk fish ang tawag dito. Na-slice na siya, actually sa whole fish, but na-cut na siya. But anyway, I'm going to put it sa air fryer. We'll make it crispy and delicious. And this is the national fish of the Philippines, you know, yung bangus. Ito ang ating pambansang isda. And ang sarap nito, one of my favorite fish. Well, anyway, let's start cooking bangus milk fish sa air fryer. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell, the notification bell, and also like this video. And i-watch nyo na rin yung iba ko pa ditong air fryer recipes at iba pang cooking and adventure sa channel ko, alright? The milk fish, the bangus, kailangan lang natin ng salt. We need a little bit of salt. Then we need some pepper, black pepper. Spread some olive oil dito sa ating air fryer para hindi masyadong magdikit yung ating fish. Kasi yun ang pinaka-hate natin, yung nag-i-stick yung fish dito sa pinaglulutoan natin sa pan or air fryer sa mga tray, di ba? Ready na ang ating milk fish, our bangus. Let's put some olive oil. Here we go. Ready to air fry. 200 degrees Celsius and then first 15 minutes. Yes, 15 minutes is over. Let's check. OMG. Smells so good. Ang bango. I love it. So delicious. Smells so delicious. Grabe. But then, we need more. I think another 10 minutes para perfect. So, we have to flip it. Kailangan natin baliktarin yung ating bangus. So, then, kailangan na natin baliktarin yung ating fish. And, para sa final cooking. So we need to air fry it one more for 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes. Same temperature, 200 degrees Celsius, just additional 10 minutes. after another 10 minutes. Total cooking time, 25 minutes. OMG, I love it! So golden yung ating bangus, milk fish, the national fish of my country. And I think naman, kilala rin to sa ibang bansa, especially Asian countries. So, ganito mag-air fry ng bangus. Diba? So delicious. OMG. Yan. So, dahil luto na ang ating fish, ang bangus, pwede na natin itong i-prepare. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also watch my other air fryer recipes here and click also the playlist ng cooking para mas mapadali niyo yung paghanap ng mga cooking recipes ko. Alright? Thank you!